Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a Magisk module that can potentially transform your Android experience, Android Tweaker. It promises to optimize your device's performance and battery life without the hassle of complex terminal commands. Let's see if it delivers. Android Tweaker works by adjusting various kernel parameters. It supports both 32-bit and 64-bit devices and can adapt to different kernel types. The module offers pre-configured profiles for various use cases, so you don't need to be a tech wizard to benefit. Installing Android Tweaker is straightforward. Download the Android Tweaker app from the official source. Install the app manually on your device. Flash the Android Tweaker Magisk module using your preferred root manager. Reboot your device. Once booted, you can access and manage different profiles using the installed Profile Controller app. The beauty of Android Tweaker lies in its simplicity. The app provides pre-configured profiles for different scenarios like gaming, battery saving, and balanced performance. You can easily switch between these profiles based on your needs. To test the effectiveness of Android Tweaker, we'll run some performance benchmarks and monitor battery usage. We'll compare the results with and without the module enabled. Stay tuned for the results. Android Tweaker is definitely worth considering if you're looking to optimize your Android device without the hassle of complex configurations. It offers a user-friendly interface and pre-configured profiles, making it accessible to everyone. Remember to always back up your device before making significant changes. That's it for today's video. If you found it helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech content. Thanks for watching.